In this video, we will draw 3 different fishes using the same basic geometry. I'm going to start with a circle, and I'm using a roll of tape, but you can use anything else that gives you the size you want, like a plate. If you want to, you can also try to draw the circle freehand, which I would recommend if you can do it. I'm going to start with a shark, and what I'm going to do is divide the circle I just drew into 4 equal quadrants. And I'm going to draw a line below the horizontal line I drew, which will be the top of the shark. And then I'm going to draw a curve to the right, which will be the top of the tail. Then I'm drawing a large curve, which will represent the smile. And then a smaller curve underneath, going right up to the circle, and then finishing the edge. The eye will be a black dot with a circle around it. And then the fin. And to draw the tail, I'm going to extend the curve I drew along the circle and then bring it down like this. There's a flipper or a fin. And with that, the body of the shark is complete. I'm going to draw a wavy line because sharks are darker at the top and white at the bottom. To draw the whale, I'm going to start with the same initial lines, the horizontal line and then a curve. And then I'm going to, again, draw the mouth or the smile. So the whale will have a different shape for the smile, more like this. You draw the eye the exact same way, and then sketch in the flipper. And that's most of the body. To draw the tail of the whale, which has a very different shape, I'm going to draw 2 identical halves. And you can see the shape here. It's a little more complicated than the shark's tail. Then I'm going to draw these lines underneath to represent what is called the throat grooves. Finally, I'm going to draw the trout, again starting with the same basic steps. Here is the smile, the eye, a curved line for the gill, and then a fin, just like the sharks. And then the tail, which again has a different shape than the other 2 that we drew. This one will have a wavy edge at the back, so we'll make sure to show that. And again, to show the coloration, I'm going to draw a rough line. Now I'm going to outline everything I drew in pen, and I'm using a thin pen to go over my lines in pencil. I'm not really making any changes. And once I've done that, I will take a thicker pen like a Sharpie and go along the outside, and this will provide a better contrast and definition to the drawing I did. And once I've done the shark, I'm going to do that for the whale and the trout. And that's really it.